least, Madam Kabashe told me that they can get all the paint they need produced locally. There is therefore no justification whatsoever for us to continue importing paint which we can manufacture locally. And that is why we have, in our budget this year, provided for incentives for local production by making sure that those who want to import it pay some measure of taxing. Same thing we are doing around manufacturing in other areas. Steel manufacture is another area. We have developed sufficient local capacity. There is no justification anymore for us to continue importing steel, which we can manufacture locally. Same with cement, same with furniture. These are among the issues we are doing, which are intentional, which are deliberate, and which are practical on making sure that we build our manufacturing capacity. And I want to tell Isuzu East Africa, as I tell all our other manufacturers, you can count on the government of Kenya to continue to provide these policy interventions so that we can enhance local manufacturing. For us to get to 15% manufacturing as a percentage of our GDP in the next 5 years, and for us to get to 20% by 2030, it has to be deliberate. It has to be intentional. It has to be practical. It cannot be through guesswork. We just have to be deliberate on what we are doing. Of course, as we do that, there will be issues raised from different quarters. I have encouraged our brothers at the Kenya Association of Manufacturing to work with us on this trajectory. And I was asking them the other day, how can the Kenya Association of Manufacturers